stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Yeah, so that didn't happen. Failed third set right there, fourth set, and I don't think I should actually try to do any more. I'm pretty much, I'm really low on energy. I felt it really from the first start, warming up on the bike and walking up to the bar. I didn't really feel ready. I didn't have any energy to like flex my whole body or like get tight enough to push it through. So yeah, I'm gonna save what energy I have left for today and going to get a workout in tomorrow. Probably a bigger one, so might eat more carbs just so I have more energy tomorrow. I will eat more carbs tomorrow though. Same, I will stick to the regular today, of course. And yeah, since I don't have energy for more workouts, I will do some posting instead, some pictures and all that. Also stay tuned, stick into this clip long. Soon I will show you how I make my protein ice cream. That was delicious. I ate it yesterday and it was awesome, super good, extremely nice. So let's go. So yeah, posing done, and right now I might actually do some abs. Then I'll walk on the treadmill just for a few minutes, 10 minutes or something like that, to get more moving. I need to burn more calories than I eat, right? And I want to make sure I burn a bit more than I eat. So at the end of the week I can hopefully do a refeed day. I'm actually gonna do that on Sunday, so or this Sunday. I don't really know when this is going to be out. Hopefully Sunday, maybe. So as you see this video, I will have a refeed, or it was yesterday. Whenever this is out, it was last Sunday. So yeah, I'll see you then. I'm gonna feel some abs. Okay, so I never recorded that abdominal work but because it's boring to watch, so yeah, whatever. I did it, walked 10 minutes on the treadmill, and right now I'm home making the protein ice cream. First I add a bunch of ice. I might have added a bit too much, because if you add too much ice, it will be like more of an ice lump, or ice, yeah, too much ice, and not too creamy or anything like that. But yeah, then I poured in 8 ounces of almond milk, and I used just a little bit of this. I had some left. And then I added protein powder. I had 20 grams of casein protein powder, and I preferably think you should only use casein because that adds a little bit of thickness. But yeah, I also added 20 grams of vanilla isolate, and also had some sugar-free syrup, and yeah. So right now, mix it up and see how it turns out. Usually I actually use bananas instead of ice, or just a little bit of ice and mostly bananas, but that way it turns out extremely creamy, extremely thick and nice. But unfortunately the bananas I made, or my parents froze in for me earlier, just a few hours, haven't frozen yet, so I can't use them. But for another day, hopefully this will do for today. So let's go. Let's see how it goes. Maybe try, yeah, just go. Here we have it. I also added 2 whole eggs and a bit more ice because it got more like milkshakey. Right now I think it's okay. It could be better. It's a bit runny, but yeah. Gonna top this off. It's a pretty big bowl. Pretty awesome. I'll have the macros up on the screen right now. There. And yeah, let's enjoy this. Adding some sugar-free syrup. Good morning, guys. Just woke up, or just got out of bed. Actually, woke up just yeah, half an hour ago, probably. But still tired and hungry. So let's get this day going. Starting with weigh-in. So let's go. So yeah, there you have it, 95.4 kilos. Time for breakfast, super hungry. Here we go. A bowl of oats, 120 grams of oats, 40 grams of protein, and yeah, a bunch of blueberries, coffee, water, and what I've just started with, apple cider vinegar. Here is 2 tablespoons, and then filled up with some water to like filter the taste, because it doesn't taste very well, just apple cider vinegar. So yeah, let's shot it. Ooh. Isn't the best tasting, but yeah, let's dig in. And I forgot to say, today's full day of eating, so stay tuned, stay fresh and long for the next meal as much as I am. Bye. Okay, time for next meal. I'm gonna fry this chicken, 150 grams, 100 grams of broccoli, 100 grams of asparagus. I'm gonna put it in this pita bread, and also with some of my homemade, I don't know what it's called in English, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's banana sauce, homemade, pretty big difference from the real one. And I'm gonna mix it together after I fry the chicken and everything. I'm gonna mix it together with some sauce, put it in the bread, and we'll see how it tastes. And the real, yeah, this is kind of the real version. Wait, there. That's more of a real version of it, but I'll show you after this how I made it. I filmed it, and hope it helps you. It's awesome, it tastes great, so try it out. Here we have it. It's everything didn't fit in the bread, but that's fine, that's not a problem. It tasted amazing. The sauce is super good. Like, really try it at home. Really. Tastes just as regular, and it's a lot healthier. Like regular have like 350 calories per 100 grams. This has 90 calories per 100 grams, and it's more protein in this one, a bit fat, some carbs, just mostly proteins. So let's give it a taste here. Yeah, it was awesome. So I made this just with broccoli, not really a carb source, because I'm saving most carbs for later. Sauce, but yeah, mostly saving most carbs for later, and so this is an awesome alternative. The bread has 24 grams of carbs just per bread, per like this, so that's amazing. And yeah, I'm gonna dig in. Really hungry. It's about 10:42, so just a few hours ago I ate, and I'll catch you at the next meal. Okay, right now, time for the pre-workout meal. It's 1:15, and for this meal, I'm starting with frying some asparagus. I'm not gonna have everyone, just 100 grams, but I'm gonna have like 150 grams of chicken, 500 grams of mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes are only made from, yeah, potatoes. Some water, salt, pepper, and nothing more. Keeping them macronutrient just as regular potatoes. So let's stack it up and get this meal going. Saved up, as you noticed from the last meal, I actually didn't have that much carbs in there. It was just about 28 grams, I believe. And that's because I wanted to save more carbs for this pre-workout meal and probably after as well. See if it makes any difference. I haven't really tried that before, so it's gonna be exciting to see if I get more energy for the workout. Hopefully, because I really want to perform at my best as much as I can, and yeah, who doesn't want to? So let's get this grab going. Let's eat! Yay! Here we have it. Made it a bit more tropical, if you didn't notice. Yeah, pretty nice, eh? Not the coolest, nicest, or most creative meal to have on a full day of eating, but yeah, I want to try it out before a workout, so I'll get more creative after that. So yeah, yeah, as usual, I say I'm gonna dig in. I'll see you at the next foodie time. Oh, and wish me good luck on my workout. I'm hopefully it goes well. So here are the macros: calories, protein, fats, and carbs. So I'll see you at the next meal. Time to go to the gym. Gonna have I'll probably do an upper body workout with pulling movement accessories, and hopefully it goes well. I have a 3-set 8 rep schedule today, so yeah, pretty lighter than usual. The lightest we go on the workouts, and today the bench will go up 7.5 kilos and the deadlifts 15 kilos from where I started, of course. It's the start of the last week, so next Sunday we will get our new maxes, and I'm really excited for it. It's gonna be awesome. I'm probably gonna break my PRs pretty hugely, and yeah, we'll see. Exciting. But yeah, I won't show you any workouts, so I will see you after the workout, and let's go. It's 2:20 a.m. or p.m. Yeah, I don't really know. It's yeah, you can see it's a day. It's a beautiful day, so let's go on. Okay, workout done, and right now heading home. Eat some. The energy was okay during this workout. Not at the top of the game, but yeah, I managed to complete the progression in bench, deadlifts, bent over row, and yeah, every accessory movement actually. So yeah, that was awesome. It was good enough energy. Although during the deadlifts I got a little pain in the back. Hopefully it's not something that's gonna stick, and it's just still that's Swinglish though, but it's hopefully it's still just repairing from my visit at the physiotherapist. And yeah, going home right now. Gonna eat tunnbrödsrulle, so stay tuned. It's gonna be a little strange version, but it's gonna be a Swedish tunnbrödsrulle. Okay, in the making, I have my tunnbrödsrulle, thin bread roll, but I don't have thin bread, or it's kind of thin bread, but it's not a real thin bread, and it's not gonna be a roll. So yeah, I'm gonna do a pita bread roll with chicken sausages, mini sausages. Here we call them prinskorvar, so Prince sausages, kind of. Yeah. Heating that up, and gonna have mashed potatoes, 200 grams inside. Some, yeah, these are pickled pickles, and some jam on top, just a little bit. That's probably gonna be awesome. It's been super long since I ate that last time, so yeah. See you. Yeah, there we have it. My pita bread roll. Pita bread. Yeah, sort of roll. Not real roll, whatever. You get the point. It's supposed to be a roll. So let's dig in. Totally worth it. Super good. And here are the macros. So yeah, I'll see you at the next clip, next meal. Probably gonna be some good. Okay, next meal in the making. It's 7:20 at evening, and I'm gonna make a smoothie, shaky, protein ice creamy thingy in the mixer here. So right now I have 200 grams of egg whites, 300 grams of strawberries, a little bit of water, and I'm gonna add some snickerdoodle protein powder here, and let's see how it turns out. I don't really know. Yep, you could say it turned out pretty awesome. Great consistency, taste was amazing, and also, yeah, I'll go through what I added before I empty this out. Added some sugar-free syrup, caramel taste. I added some flavor drop, caramel taste as well, and snickerdoodle protein powder, just in another bottle. And yeah, this is gonna be awesome. So I want to get every little piece of this left in here. If this doesn't fill your stomach, I don't know what does. And macros on the screen right here. Here. Yeah. So yeah, let's dig in as usual, and I'll see you at the next meal, which is also going to be some kind of protein ice cream. Okay, now it's time for second ice cream. Second meal of ice cream. I couldn't bear myself, so it's probably just almost an hour since I ate that last one. It's pretty filling, it's delicious, and right now I'm gonna show you one version how I did it more in depth. Last I just explained what I had in, so yeah, I'll show you frozen bananas. I'm gonna have 200 grams of these, and then I'm also gonna have 2 egg yolks. I'm gonna see how it turns out with the yolks. Last one I had egg whites, and that turned out pretty fluffy and shiny. Yeah, and this could turn out more creamier maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Here we go. Now I'm gonna add 250 milligrams of almond milk. Yeah, that's enough. 40 grams of banana Toffe protein powder. Then I'm also going to add a few drops of vanilla flavor. There we go. Right now it's gonna get a bit noisy, so I'll cut it here when I'm mixing everything up. Okay, you want to make sure you really get every frozen banana crushed, so everything is a smooth and complete creamy consistency. Don't want to have any bites, even though it might be tasty, but yeah, better if it's a smooth consistency throughout. So I'm gonna turn on and off sometimes, really getting the frozen bananas on the bottom and get crushed. Also, I might just stick a stick down and stir it around. Let's see if the consistency is good. Yeah, that's an approved consistency in my eyes. Completely fine. Don't need to be like any less. You could feel the ice not being. It isn't icy. It's not creamy. It sure tastes amazing. So try this out. It's awesome. Macros on the screen right here, and yeah, you could do it in other ways, maybe with egg whites instead of yolks if you don't have the fats and just need protein. You could do it with other vegetables or fruits, frozen fruits. I did the last one with strawberries, it worked out really fine, and this one with bananas. Bananas, in my opinion, are a bit more creamy, but yeah, there's not a huge difference. It could become creamier with just either the egg yolk or the egg white. So yeah, try it out. I'm gonna enjoy this. This was the last meal for today. In the next clip I'll conclude the video and talk a bit more about tomorrow, how I'm feeling, and yeah, let's dig in. Last meal for tonight. Okay, so time to conclude this video. I hope you like this day, full day of eating and all my cutting calories. Tomorrow I'll actually have a refeed day, so I chose not to record that as a full day of eating because it's not going to be super fun to watch. I'm just going to eat like potatoes, mashed potatoes, sweet potato, like just clean food and a lot of carbs, so it wouldn't be more fun. It's more fun to watch me when I do like flexible eating, if it's your macro style, and improvising, getting more creative, sort of. And also, what I add for the ice creams, for me it was pretty okay in the first one. Second one, I should have added more ice. I could have added more ice, so it got more icy, more ice creamy, so to speak. But it worked. It was although more of a smoothie, milkshake, and not really ice cream. But yeah, whatever. I liked it. It tastes good. It's filling. That's what I'm looking for, more than it being just exactly ice cream. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you watched the whole video, and please leave a thumbs up if you liked the video. Comment down below on feedback, questions you have for me, and subscribe if you want to see more as usual. I'll see you in the next video. Tomorrow is the first yeah, it's the end of the first week, last way in, so we'll see the weeks middle, yeah, you'll see the weigh-ins. So see you. Thank you for watching. Bye.